Many industries, such as small pharmaceutical units, small textile units, or small food and beverage manufacturing units, they have a very small steam requirement. And for meeting their steam requirements, they often rely on small non-IBR boilers. Now, traditionally, these non-IBR boilers have been using oil and gas. So you will see that most of the industries have either oil or gas-fired non-IBR coil-type boilers. But since the prices of oil and gases have been rising, so we came across the requirement for a biomass-based non-IBR boiler. And that's when we developed BioCoil. So BioCoil boiler is a coil-type non-IBR boiler that is designed to operate by using biomass as a fuel. So what we saw is when we replaced oil-fired or gas-fired non-IBR boilers with BioCoil boilers, the fuel cost reduced by 40 to 60%. Now, BioCoil boiler offers the same benefits or same performance parameters that are offered by oil and gas type non-IBR boilers. For example, instant steam generation. So BioCoil boilers can generate steam within 10 minutes from the cold start. Then they have a very good adaptability to the fluctuating steam loads. Since BioCoil boilers come with automatic fuel feeding systems, they are able to modulate the fuel feeding as well as the air feeding rate as well as the steam load basically. So as the steam load changes, the fuel feeding rate and the air feeding rate is adjusted automatically, and it comes with all the safeties that are provided by the leading manufacturers of non-IBR boilers. Only difference is that since BioCoil runs on biomass, we are able to reduce the fuel cost, as we said, by 40 to 50%, and it comes with additional air pollution control devices such as Cyclone. Since BioCoil boiler is non-IBR boiler, so with this unique coil type design of BioCoil, we have been able to minimize the space which is required for installing a biomass boiler. Usually you will see that biomass boilers are a bit bulkier or bit bigger in size compared to oil and gas fired boilers. Now, since we are using coil type design, so for us the space requirement is very low, and this is important because BioCoil boilers are designed to replace coil type oil and gas fired boilers in the facilities where they are already using it. That's why compared to traditional biomass fired boilers, the space required for installing BioCoil is very low. Additionally, since it's a non-IBR boiler, so non-IBR boiler is one where the water holding capacity is below 25 liters usually. So with this coil type design, we are able to precisely control the water holding capacity of a boiler. The coil type design ensures instant steam generation as well. So we provide Economizer with a boiler which basically preheats the water before it enters the coil. And since coil type boilers are once through boiler, so till the time water reaches from the bottom of the coil to the top of the coil, it has been already converted to high quality and dry steam. So with increasing fuel prices and growing sustainability demands, BioCoil offers a viable solution for the industries that have been using oil and gas fired boilers and want to transition to biomass. The BioCoil boilers offer the same reliability, same safety and same performance parameters as of oil or gas fired boilers. So if you're still using the traditional oil and gas fired coil type boilers, this is the right time for you to switch to biomass.